Okay dear students, we have already seen some of the basic rules. Now we will see some more. Here I have written that quotes means the words spoken by the legend like Mahatma Gandhi, Jesus Christ or any one of the legendary person. Okay, if they have said some words, those words are called as quotes or thoughts. Habits, scientific fact or historical truth. If in your direct speech means in double quotation, if you are getting any one of them, in such cases or condition, we cannot change the tense of the given sentence because they are quotes, they are habits, they are scientific fact or historical truth. Pay attention towards this example. Jesus said, "You always have the poor with you." This is said by Jesus. As it is said by him, so we don't have any right to change this sentence into any one of the tense. So in such case, we have to write this sentence as it is. So what the sentence will be? Jesus said or quoted that. That is the conjunction which we are adding in place of this punctuation marks. That, then remaining sentence will be as it is without any change. You always have the poor with you, and then full stop. So this is the way to solve this sentence. Next one, she said, "I go to gym every day." This everyday word is showing that the person has gone yesterday, the person has gone today, and even will go tomorrow. So this everyday word is showing you the habit of the person. So in such cases, habits, we cannot change the tense of the given sentence. It is in present, we have to keep the sentence or write the sentence in the present itself. So the answer will be, she said, instead of punctuation marks, that. I is, who is this I? This I is she. So pronoun will be she. She said that. She go. Why go? As this is the singular one. This is the singular one. So in present this is go. But as it is singular, so we need to add es into it. So this will change into goes. She said that she goes to gym every day. So in such cases, we people cannot change the tense of the given sentence. Dear students, I already taught you about the 4 kinds of sentences. But there is one sentence which is starting with the letters or lets. So we need to understand some changes into it. If the sentence is beginning with letters or lets, in such cases, reporting verb will be suggested or proposed, conjunction will be that, and letters will change into they should. Okay, so here the example is given. With it, the idea will be clear. The speaker is Jim and listener is Della. Said is the reporting verb, so it will change into suggested or proposed. So what will be the answer? It will be Jim suggested Della. Conjunction for them is that. Okay, Jim suggested Della that they should. In place of letters, we people have to use they should. Put our will change into their because we are talking about them. That's why our will change into their. Christmas presents away for a while. Now as the full stop is given, we can remove this full stop and instead of that we can add one more conjunction like as, so or because. So I am taking over here as because this is the reason. As they are changed into past tense, were too nice to be used just at present. Okay, this at present is showing us that they are talking about the time now. So as I told you some changes in, if it is written now in the direct speech, it will change, that now will change into then. So in place of at present, now we people have to write then. So the answer will be Jim suggested Della that they should put their Christmas present away for a while as they were too nice to be used just then. So in such way we people have to solve the sentences. Kindly note down these changes. Thank you.